Hello and welcome to Aviation Rail Adventures and the second episode of Behind the Scenes. Today I'm on my way to Manchester Airport at the runway visitor park to do some plane spotting. So in today's video I'm going to take you along with me on this trip. I'm going to show you what I do whilst I'm plane spotting at Manchester. So this here is my main camera that I'm bringing with me today. I'll be using this for filming most parts of this video, and this is the Sony WX500. You should have seen this in the last video, and that's linked up here, the first episode of the Behind the Scenes. So if you haven't checked that out, do check that one out as well as part of this 3-part Behind the Scenes series. And here we have the binoculars that I will be using today. They're in the case right now, but if we clip this little button up, well, you can see we've got them here. I'm just going to take these out and I'm going to show you. And here we have the binoculars. Have a look at them. These are quite old binoculars, but they are very good for spotting. Yeah. So I'll be obviously using this to maybe like identify the edges of certain aircraft and stuff. So then what I can then do is identify these edges and put them down in the plane spotting video. And the plane spotting video is actually already out now. So if you want to check that out, you should see it in the card just above here. I've got my camera on the tripod here. Let's see, it's actually just as I showed you in the last episode of Behind the Scenes. I've just left the RVP now. I'm on my way to another spot at Manchester. I'm going to Shadow Moss Road, where you can see the arrivals quite well, coming over your head into Manchester. So I'm just coming up Runga Lane now, just past the cargo centre, and I'm going to one of my favourite spots at Manchester. I've arrived at Shadow Moss now, which is a very nice spot here at Manchester. You can see just behind me there, you can sort of see that we've got the runway, and it honestly, with all the lights, it just looks absolutely beautiful. And this is ultimately one of my favourite spots here at Manchester. And I'm going to be filming some landings here onto 23 Right, which is just behind me, and possibly some takeoff shots as well. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour here at Shadow Moss. Here you can see the landing lights. These stretch all the way over here, and these are to guide the planes into the runway, which you can just see over there. That is 23 Right, and to be honest, the camera work doesn't do it justice, but just sitting in the car or standing here just to see the runway is just a beautiful sight for an av geek like me. You can see the sun reflects on the landing lights there. Beautiful, beautiful shot. You can see over here where the cones are. That is quite a good place to stand if you want to get a side shot.
So
and if you want to get a bit of an overhead shot, you can stand just here in this little grassy bit. You can also stand down this road. Just down this road you've got a fuel station, so if you want to get snacks you can just go down there. That is quite a good place to stand if you want to get a side shot too from the opposite side.
Please also do subscribe to the channel, and then you won't miss future content, and make sure that you set the notification bell to get all notifications. But more importantly, stay tuned and stay safe.